Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a share, or VR actually, for Cards for Kindness, and it is hosted by scrapbooks.com. And if you haven't seen or heard what it's about, it's they are collecting greeting cards, handmade cards, and they organize and distribute the cards to cancer foundations, hospitals, shelters, retirement homes, children homes, and other organizations that are in need. And the cards are used by nurses, doctors, or staff members, counselors, parents, or volunteers who can add who want to add a handwritten message of encouragement or love before giving them to the patient, children, or other people who are in need of these. And so if you don't know, scrapbook.com is here in Arizona. It's in Gilbert, Arizona, which is just south of where I live, Mesa, Arizona. And so some of the places that they donate to, which they do give you a list of places, are in my neighborhood. And they give you instructions. It has to be an A2 size card. You have to send in a minimum of 10 cards. And they're accepting certain theme ones, and the list is on the website. I am going to post the link to the information in my description box below. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. But these are the hashtags that you will find other people who have donated. You can find their cards there. So just gonna show you really quickly. I made 10 of them. And here we go. Sorry for the glare. They're in plastic sleeves. So this one just says thanks. You know, you could just see it's layered up a little. This one's thank you. Another thank you. Here's another thank you. And you know, I use the MAGGIE Homes greeting cards, and I use the paper from the Willow Lane collection, I believe. The cut-aparts. Some of the cut-aparts that I used are from the collection as well. This is the 7th one, 8th one, 9th one, and the last one. Yeah, so that's my 10 cards. I am shipping off to them. Like I said, I will leave the link to the information in my description box below, so you can get all the requirements. And if you guys do have any questions, like I said, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you stick around to the end, I will you can find more videos like this. Hope you guys are having a great day, and until the next video, shakas!